Hi guys, mag-anak ka diri ha. Mag-film ka diri outside, mag-anak ra ka. Angat mo sini mo. A little bit lang makitaan sa phone. Para i-prank na to sila nawala ka.
Okay. So guys,
Gibidyohan ni mo.
yeah, I'm videoing it. I swear. Okay.
Anak ra dyan.
It's blurry.
Bright man, anak ra.
It's blurry. Okay, good now. Good. Hello.
Bright man dyan. Lang.
The heck? I'm hello guys, I'm inside of clothes and we're hiding. I'm pranking my mom right now. Are you sayaw? Nagsayaw ka.
Sawa na.
Genau.
Ayo, paghilom ra ha. Don't laugh. Imagine this is a zombie apocalypse. You're
Okay.
serious.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Who idea this? My cousin, of course. The hell is it? Oh my gosh.
This is a drug raid. This is a drug raid, nigga.
Nag-video ka!
Got you, bro.
Bro!
May tas ako bukok ha.
Ayaw!
Bukok ha.
Ayaw!
Mag-prank pa ta.
Mag-prank pa ta! Bro, what the heck? What the freak, bro? Heck? I can't see for a reason.
Hi, Jack.
Ow. Okay. Bro. Okay. What the heck? These are so fun, guys. Okay. 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 Okay, see you. Heck. Gina?
Magitan ka ni mo?
Huh?
Magitan ka ni mo?
Yeah, I see you.
Mag-hide po kami.
Like, hello?
Hide po ka. Hide po ka.
The heck? Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Oh my gosh. Bro, my opening. Okay. My mate's over here.
Ayun, ganun na amo ka diya. Ani ko, namusta naman yun?
May taagin si jacket ko.
Call my mom.
Pag film daw, show your face. I-film daw kanang nabakitan mo yung face.
Di ko kita